Hello, my name is Tomal Hassan, and today I'll be presenting about why to capture network traffic for investigation. There are multiple reasons onto why to capture network traffic, but when it comes to investigations, one major reason is to collect more information about cyber crimes or cyber incidents. Also, it's a useful for or usefulness of network traffic log would would contribute into network traffic investigation and also to identify system vulnerabilities in addition to enhancing the system security. And lastly, it's majorly used for forensic investigation goals. There are varieties of tools that's used for network traffic analysis, and the network tools are I have selected two tools for this presentation, and these tools have been selected based on the capabilities of package and network sniffing. And those sniffing tools are famous of cyber attack mitigation, and also they help in forensic investigations, and also they have a very high and sophisticated capabilities of intercepting and logging network traffic. Now I have selected two tools here as recommended network analysis tools. The first one is TCP dump, and the other one is Wireshark. They are all um, simple, and they use a graphical interface, which is the virtualization makes it easy on users to deal with those applications and find and analyze the traffic that they pick to analyze. Also, they have good capabilities of capturing and filtering network packet. Also, the Wireshark tool is widely and used globally because of its advanced capabilities. The Wireshark also are famous of its speedily report detected denial of service attacks, and also attacks directed to the system firewall of all other system breaches through networks. And on the other hand, TCP dump outclasses the Wireshark in terms of memory, battery, process usage, because the Wireshark needs a lot of resources because the, 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 the software size is big and uses a lot of resources of the system where it's installed at. So in more details, here are the benefits of utilizing recommended tools. First, the TCP dump tool has benefits such as it can selectively dump network packages according to matching strings such as dash D, dash double D, and dash triple Ds. And each one of those commands perform a certain task. Also, it can decrypt the IP security ESP packets in the case they compiled with cryptography. Also, it can be set is an immediate mode, and this feature direct instead of directing the network packet to the windows, it direct it to the buffer. Also, it is famous of being a lightweight software, so it will not make any burden on the system resources. And also it works under multiple operating systems, so users will not face any compatibility problem. And lastly, it has a capability of capturing not only TCP traffic, but also can capture packet and traffic of UDP and ICMP. And lastly, the second tool is Wireshark, and this tool is has the capability of can dump the packet in multiple files with different extension, and this feature would facilitate the future analysis of those files. Also, the verbosity is performed in a graphical interface, and it's all well known that visualization capability would add to understanding and make the usage of the tool a little bit easier. Also, it enables ethical hackers to disclose the, the, the flows regarding the security of the system at user authentication level. This feature can enable the network administrator and security team to identify network system vulnerabilities, and this feature is also is so as long as the system administrator and the security team are able to identify the system vulnerability. This is going to be a very huge help of this tool. And lastly, it has the capability of analyzing the network behavior after discovering that backdoor of network is exploited. And by this concludes the presentation for today. And here's a reference that's used for literature review for this work. And thank you. Have a wonderful day.